What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you like cars, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on none of the content we got going on with all the projects going on here. Anyway, here to talk about the Z and all the progress we got going on here with the Z. So far, I know you guys seen last time it didn't have a passenger window. So we went ahead and changed out the door. I was going to change out the window, but I changed out the whole door instead. I'm not sure how I feel about that just yet because the other door is a little bit more cleaner as far as this one's just got a little bit, some little dings and stuff. I could fix that up or nothing, but I get a little OCD sometimes. Then I told you about the arms. It got bent. We went ahead and got some GKTech Super Lock Arms, and that's been one heck of a pain in the butt. Is working on them now. As you can see, this bolt right here has been extended out a little bit further than the other side is, and we're still having issues with tire being too close to this fender right here compared to the other side. GK Tech's instructions are very poor, to be honest with you. You know, they could have gave a little bit more instructions on what to do here. So we've been doing a little guesswork on some of the things and getting it figured out. But it's been a few days that we've been working on just getting the car in line and everything else. We gotta get it I got it pretty much dialed down on the alignment, but I got to get it taken back and taken out and get it a little bit more aligned, and then I'll get it to a shop and then get it aligned myself. But other than that, it's back on the road. I did a little bit of practicing a couple days ago or whatever, just to test out the arms, and everything's doing good. I just got to adjust this little bit that Devin's doing now. We'll get that adjusted, and I gotta help him out right now because this it's another problem too. What the heck? the fitment is so tight that it was a pain in the butt getting it up there. Now it's a pain in the butt getting it down. So we're gonna get that. I'm gonna help him out and get this adjusted so we get this out. All right. So he doesn't need my help. He's just hammering it down till he gets it out. But if you see how tight that is getting it out, you can imagine how it was getting it in. So
I don't. It was easier getting it in because we had a little more space to hit it in.
Yeah. So I don't know what's going on, why it's so tight, but I won't complain. Hopefully we get it figured out and get this set up. Then we were supposed to do the hatch on this sucker because of these holes right here. I got a whole new hatch inside, but I realized just to get the hatch off, you gotta take off this roof panel, and it's all one piece. So I've been really hesitant to do that. So I don't know. Hopefully we'll get that squared away pretty soon, because I just got the hatch sitting in my living room floor taking up space because I don't want to put it up because I thought I was going to put it on the car, but obviously not. But anyway, that's that. And so I'm not sure what else to do. That's that. I'm not sure what else I want to do with the car right now. Just want to get out there and drift, get practice in or whatever, whatnot. I got to get the wrap done. As you can see, it's bad. And then I want to start shaving out the engine bay. This sucker is dirty as all day, but why it won't focus? Sucker's dirty as all day, but want to get it cleaned up and get it shaved down, move the battery to the back, move some of these other components to other places, and see how clean I can get this engine bay up. yeah, that's that. Then here's the Jeep. I still got to do some work on too, but we'll talk about that another time. Gotta get this. There's the back bumper I put on in the last video. It's sitting there getting rusted. I gotta get that taken off and get it powder coated. So gotta get to that too. But anyways, that's that. Gonna go ahead and get this finished up, and then get with you guys later on the progress. All right. And heads up, we'll be going to Adams Motorsports Park this weekend for a drift event. They have going once a month. They have drifting, so we're gonna go there and do some filming. Might go live. I doubt it though, because nobody's ever live with us. But if we get enough likes on this video, we'll go ahead and go live. So I think we got everything adjusted. Like a dummy, we were trying to take that side down to adjust it to make it the same length as the other side, but that wasn't working. So we had to leave it on the car, adjust it that way, and get the tire lined up. So we got everything lined up now. Got the GKTech arms installed finally. Now looks like everything's dialed in. We got the gap looking like it's pretty much the same on both sides. Now we just gotta get the car aligned. We got it pretty much set up so it's aligned well enough to drive. We took it for a test drive, did a little practice run on everything. Everything looked pretty good, so just gotta get a alignment done and go from there. Then the next thing on the list, who knows? Gotta finish this wrap. So we'll try and get the wrap done and hopefully get that ordered in pretty soon and get that put on. This will be our first wrap, so hopefully we do a pretty good job, but we'll have it on camera just so you guys can see and judge us. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, or even if you didn't, go ahead and comment below. Let us know what you did or didn't like. Subscribe to the channel so we get better with these videos, do more videos, put them out more often. And that's it. Well, that's what's up.